So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to pin message on WhatsApp. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged in to your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your message. Now you should have to tap on message icon here like this and tap on message, or tap on message like this and tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it, then you will see the option of pin. So again tap on it, then you can see the option of 7 days, 24 hours or 30 days. If everything is okay, then you can tap on pin icon which is available on the screen. So tap on it. Now see, you have pinned the message, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.